Bear Kids, yeah! Ba 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 ba. Do 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 do. Bee is playing with her ball and with her dolly. Then her crayons open books so bright and jolly. Then my mommy comes and says, "Oh no!" But I'm happy, I won't move. I go slow. Beatrice, take your ball and put it there. Your little dolly sitting on the chair. Learn to tidy up and everything will shine. When each thing's in its place, it looks so fine. I see my Lego, I just can't resist. Then I leave them here and there in a twist. Mom is calling, Daddy smiles at me. I don't get them, they're so strange to see. I'm just playing, that's my little world. It's so pretty, like a dream unfurled. Beatrice, put your colors in the drawer. Mom and Daddy help you even more. Tidy up now, little one, and it will shine. Tidy up now, everything will be just fine. Every day I'm learning as I go, and my room begins to smile and glow. Every day I tidy more and more. Mommy's happy like she was before. Subscribe to the channel.